kids, hope you're all well. So we are back with another pickup today. This week we are going to look at the Rising Star XR1. Now these are from the Never Made pack, which is quite a unique thing that Adidas have released. So effectively these, as you can tell by Rising Star, are a combination of these, not this particular variant, but the OG silver colourway, and the NMD R1s, which of course are these. So it's basically the sole of this and the upper of this amalgamated into one shoe. Quite a unique idea, quite brave. It's going to have lovers and haters, I am sure. But without further delay, let's take a look inside the box. So here they are. As you can see, it's the OG silver and red upper from the Rising Star. Really a class vintage shoe, which hopefully perhaps now that they've redone this upper portion, we may see as a reissue in the near future. One can only hope on that, really. And obviously you've got your NMD Boost sole unit here. Out of the Never Made pack, I think these, as well as the Micro Pacers and maybe the Boston Supers, would be the picks for me. Really nice. I mean, the upper on these is really nice, as you can see on the suede. Fantastic quality there. And you do have this sort of, I don't know, what is it, patent leather, silver leather, whatever. So if you do a toe to tongue on these bad boys, really nice. And yeah, you've also got your contrasting. Now these pieces on the NMD range were very much influenced by the aforementioned shoes, those sort of vintage, sort of technological shoes from the 80s, I would say. So what I've got here as a comparison are the Rising Star. It's not the OG colourway, it's the class of 84 colourway. Now on these wedges can be removed, and they have different densities. Now obviously you can't do that on the on these pieces here. They're just glued or fixed into place. But you can certainly see where the influence has come from. I mean, if you have a look at some of the detailing on these, on the heel tab, I mean, I'm not sure on this. You do have the loop, which is derived from the NMD itself, but that does cover up the OG heel tab from the Rising Star. I think it kind of works, but I mean, probably better without it, maybe. It's a bit too far. But the sole unit and the upper, I actually think work pretty well on this. I think it looks like a nice shoe. Quite an oddity, this range. Probably won't be successful. I got these in a sale. You know, is it going to satisfy your traditionalist? No, it's not. Is it going to satisfy your sort of modern hype market or whatever they go for? Probably not. So it sits somewhere in the middle, and you know, it's a bit of an oddity, but I think it works quite well. I quite like it. Underneath, of course, you do have the standard tread pattern. So that's it really, guys. So I picked these up in the Black Friday sales. I would suggest to other people, if you do like the look of these, or the subsequent, I think they've brought out a triple white and triple black variant. I would probably suggest waiting for the sales if I was you, because you know, they are quite expensive off the bat, and you can you know, it is a lot of money. So yeah, I'll just wait for the sales, get yourself 30-40% off maybe. Yeah, but that's it for this one, guys. This is one video that might be the last before Christmas. I might try and get one more in, but if it don't, you know, I hope you're all having a good build up to Christmas. Fantastic. More videos on the way, of course, and yeah, thank you for tuning in again. I'll put these on foot now, so as we always do at the end of each vid. Take care, everyone, and I will catch you next time. See you later. Bye.